Once the proof of concept is established in longevity, it will go viral.
There is something in the air and we can feel it.
The rate of aging is malleable.
I've been interested in the latest research done by scientists who want to discover how to slow the aging process down. What they have discovered is that we all age at different rates. One of the ways in which they calculate what they call aging scores is by testing how well the organs are functioning. Those with the highest score have the best organ function and are the least likely to die. Today's exercises demonstrate how important our organs are. We notice the aging of our skin, but we never think about our internal organs until something goes wrong. Shaolin Qigong is the only exercise we know that stretches and exercises the internal organs. Kung Fu doesn't do this, yoga doesn't do this, and meditation doesn't do this. Aerobic exercise does use the heart, but what about the kidneys, liver, gallbladder, etc.?
How to make yourself empty. How to practice and approach this idea of becoming empty. Because what's the point of becoming empty? Where is the benefit from becoming empty? It gives you a glimpse of how you could look if you would be uncolored. It sometimes opens up the mind again to see possibilities that you have in this lifetime for yourself.
As we get older, the production of new blood cells slows down. Shaolin monks believe that this Qigong prevents the degeneration of the bone marrow, so that the production of new blood cells continues at a similar pace to when we were younger.
If you want to improve on the physical level, there is something extraordinary there. If you want to develop yourself in the spiritual and in the mind aspect, there's also something special over there. I don't know, maybe later how you want to catch it in, but I can show you how it feels when somebody is accessing his bone marrow. Yeah? Then later in the comment you can just say your own experience, what it is.
Let's begin the Shi Heng Yi Qigong bone marrow cleansing practice. He'll guide you step by step, just like a teacher standing next to you. You can do this right now in a quiet space.
Let's go.
This posture helps you connect to the earth and still the wandering mind. Before cleansing begins, we must be rooted. Place your focus on your bones. Inhale slowly and deeply through the nose, imagining qi entering your bones, legs, spine, arms, filling the marrow. Exhale through the mouth, imagining toxins and stagnation leaving the bones.
One more time.
This exercise helps break up old patterns, release tension, and dislodge blocked qi from joints and marrow. It's also deeply rejuvenating for the lymphatic system and spine. This movement opens the upper meridians, clears stagnant energy from the chest and shoulders, and promotes lymphatic drainage. It's like pumping fresh air into an old room. Your chest opens and energy starts to circulate freely.
Same movement, but now it's just for me sitting, but you can still stand because anyway the legs were not moving. So from here, arms up, front, turn, back, front, up, turn, back, elbows, side, up, turn, front, cross, center, up, turn, down, reverse.
Shi Heng Yi recommends doing this slowly, mindfully, and with gratitude to the body.
Up, turn, center, down. One more time. Open, front, turn, back, front, up, turn, cross, elbow, side, extend, up, transition, front, cross the palm, back, up, out, turn the wrist, flip, down, transition, behind the head, extend, turn, flip.
It cultivates rooted strength, patience, and stamina. Internally, energy is settling and condensing into the dantian and marrow. You're like a battery being recharged.
Okay, so yeah, well done.